In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view version history and restore in OneDrive in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to review older versions of a presentation, preview them safely, and either roll back or keep a separate copy without losing your current work. Start by opening your presentation that's stored in OneDrive. You can do this in the PowerPoint desktop app or in PowerPoint for the web. Version history only works when the file is saved in OneDrive, so if your presentation is on your computer, save it to your OneDrive first, then reopen it from there to ensure versions are tracked. To access version history in the desktop app, go to File, then Info, and choose Version History. If you prefer the web version, open the file in PowerPoint for the web, go to File, then Info, and select Version History. You can also find version history directly from OneDrive on the web by right-clicking the file and choosing Version History. All of these routes bring you to the same place, a chronological list of past saves. You'll now see a list of previous versions with timestamps, and sometimes you'll notice who made the changes if it's a shared file. Click any version to open it in read-only mode. This is a safe preview that lets you verify the content without altering your current presentation. Take a moment to scan through the slides and confirm that this is the version you want. If the preview opens in a separate window or pane, that's normal, and your current file remains unchanged. When you're ready to act, you have two choices. Restore will replace your current presentation with the version you selected. This is useful if you want to fully roll back to that point in time. Save a copy will download or create a new file from that version, leaving your current presentation untouched. Choose Save a Copy if you want to compare side by side or preserve your latest edits while still keeping an older snapshot. If you select Restore, confirm the action. PowerPoint will revert the presentation to that earlier version, and any changes made after that timestamp will be undone in the current file. Don't worry if you change your mind later. The restored state becomes part of the version history as well, so you can repeat the same process to move forward or back again. That's all there is to it. Open the file from OneDrive, go to Version History, preview the version you need, and either restore it or save it as a separate copy. This simple workflow helps you recover work, track progress, and collaborate with confidence.